Hey there, plant friends. Welcome back to Terramata Gardens. If you're into houseplants with serious flair, you're in for a treat. Today, we're exploring one of the most striking members of the begonia family, the Begonia Harmony series, Silver Dollar. The Silver Dollar begonia isn't just about looks, it's about foliage. Its foliage reflects light in a way that can make a room feel brighter and more dynamic, especially when placed near a sunny window. And because it's part of the Harmony series, it's been specifically bred for stronger stems and improved indoor growth, making it a showstopper that doesn't ask for much. The begonia genus includes over 18,000 species native to tropical and subtropical regions around the world, from South America to Southeast Asia. The Harmony series is a modern line of hybrid begonias developed for houseplant lovers who want bold color and unique leaf patterns with improved structure. Silver Dollar is one of those standouts of the series, combining deep metallic tones with striking textures. Begonia Silver Dollar is a rhizomatous hybrid, which means it spreads from thick, creeping stems at the base. What really makes it pop is its broad, rounded leaves with silvery sheen, often edged in deep charcoal or plume hues. Each leaf is slightly curled at the edges with a shimmery, almost frosted texture that catches the light beautifully. It typically grows to about 12 to 18 inches tall and wide, forming a tidy, lush mound over time. This begonia thrives best in bright and direct light. Think a few feet away from a sunny window or under grow lights. Avoid direct sun, which can scorch your leaves. It prefers well-draining soil and a pot with good airflow and drainage. Let the top inch of the soil dry between waterings and keep the humidity levels moderate to high. A pebble tray or humidifier can make a big difference. And remember, overwatering is the #1 killer, so go easy on the watering. While you're not planting this one in a veggie patch, Silver Dollar pairs beautifully with other tropical houseplants. Try grouping it with caletheas, ferns, or peperomias to create a mini jungle with contrasting shapes and colors. In container displays, it looks amazing alongside dark-leaved Rex begonias or trailing varieties like Swedish ivy. One thing begonia lovers adore about this plant is dramatic foliage shifts under different lighting or during seasonal changes as leaves may take on cooler or warmer tones, adding visual interest. It's also easy to propagate from leaf or stem cuttings, especially in spring and summer. Just snip, root in moist soil or water, and wait, and it'll grow. This isn't a culinary medicinal plant, but its value lies in its aesthetic power. Use it as a focal point in your plant shelf or a mood booster on your desk or as part of a lush terrarium. The Silver Dollar variety brings a cool, calming vibe, perfect for modern minimalist or boho interiors. Thanks for joining me today. If you've grown Silver Dollar or another Harmony begonia, let me know in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more plant care tips and features. See you in the next one. Happy planting.